Urban exploring can be very dangerous when doing it alone. Always go with someone you know you can trust, and remember guys, stay safe. Shornemead Fort is a now disused artillery fort that was built in the 1860s to guard the entrance to the Thames from seaborne attacks. Constructed during a period of tension with France, it stands on the south bank of the river at a point where the Thames curves sharply north and west, giving the fort long views up and down the river in both directions. It was the third fort constructed on the site since the 18th century, but its location on marshy grounds led to major problems with subsidence. The fort was equipped for a time with a variety of long calibre artillery guns which were intended to support two other nearby Thameside forts. However, the extent of the subsidence meant that it became unsafe for the guns to be fired, and the fort was disarmed by the early 20th century. Shornemead Fort was in use from its completion in 1870 to its abandonment in the 1950s. Much of it was demolished by the Army Demolition School of the Royal Engineers in the 1960s. The barracks and the administrative buildings have been completely destroyed, and only the front of the casemates survives along with the magazines underneath. Although the fort's tunnels are now flooded and inaccessible, the surviving fragments of the fort and the area around it are a part of a nature reserve which can be visited by the general public.
Right, what is up guys? Welcome to Shornemead Fort. I'm back here again. Extremely windy. Face this way. I've got waders on today. I'm going to try and get into the tunnels. Hopefully they haven't seen the video and we're able to get in. So it should be pretty exciting. Aaron's down there. He didn't want to come down this way. It's really squelchy. And yes, very nice.
Right guys, I've made it to the hole that I got into last time. Looks like you can still get inside, which is pretty cool.
Just making my way down to this small hole. I forgot how bad it was. Jesus Christ. I'm in. Right, I've just got to grab Aaron's camera. And then, yeah. How's it going? Welcome to Shornemead Fort. If this big ass Lego block wasn't in the way, it would have been the most easiest of access that I've ever been into. Should we? Oh, oh God. Hey, that's pretty good. Oh. Sorry, not really. Oh, Jesus Christ. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's freaking do this. I've had to get through that, as you remember. I need to film for Aaron as well. This is going to be extremely fun, guys. This is freaking deep, my dudes. Right. Holy sh**. Is that a potato? I've just got to be careful with this bit. Not gonna lie.
That is really deep, guys. Alright, that was me. Just like taking a bath. I can feel what is that? How deep is that? Not actually that deep. Why am I doing this on my own? Hello? I think it's that bag. It might actually be that. I'm sorry guys, I'm actually shitting myself. Alright, it's that. Holy shit, this is deep. Alright, yeah, it's that. And, yeah. Holy... I'm doing this on my own, man. The water's not that high, but at the same time, wow! Guys, this is huge. Set up Aaron's camera there. Wowza. Wow. That's incredible. Right guys, so I am in the tunnels of Shornemead Fort. It's a bit creepy down here, I'm not gonna lie. Hella bloody echoey. Let's turn that up to 50. Let's try not to drop Aaron's camera. Because if I do... Right, okay. I keep hearing the noise. Whoa, this is getting deeper. Wow. The thing is, you wouldn't understand if you've never used waders. Okay, is that just that's just a white room. But it's getting incredibly deeper. I don't know how far I can go. If you've never had... Oh, that is cold. Just hope it doesn't go up any further. It looks like it will. Yeah, man, this is just... I've got an idea. Idea activated. Aaron, if you're thingy in this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set your camera there. Actually, no, I'll turn it off and then I'll do more video for you. Okay. Oh, shit. Right. So what I've done is I've put his camera and my stuff there because I feel like it's going to come up a lot higher. I don't know. I am not going to be able to go any further, guys. I might be able to. It's just... First time doing this, guys. You'd understand. Is that sand? It looks like it goes up. Alright guys, so the water is up to my crotch, would you not believe? And it is getting higher. which bloody incredible. Really incredible. Where's my light? There it is. Look at that, guys. Bloody marvellous. Alright guys, so it looks like there would have been some candles there. I'm literally just round the corner from where I was. Yeah, have a look at this, folks. I don't know if it's getting... It looks like people have put glow sticks in the bottom there, because you can see where people have been when this was... I should have had waders a long time ago, and I should have done this. It's not too high. It's... I don't know whether it's getting deeper or not, but I'll find out. I'm just taking it slowly because I don't want to rush this. It looks like I can use that as a gauge to how high it's getting. Original wood. I can't tell you how weird this feels. Okay. There's another room there. Looks amazing. I think this is actually getting a bit deeper now, guys. But I'm glad. Oh wait, no, hang on. Oh. Oh shit. That didn't feel good. Okay. There's some more stuff there. I'm not gonna go all the way because I'll have to go all the way around again. But guys, this has been now let me see. Let me see. Does this get any deeper? No, it's the same height. That is incredible. Really echoey in here. The brickwork is amazing. 2011. CHAB, CM, JC and JM, 10th of the 10th, 2011. There's a 2019 there. Someone's kindly put a 19 on the end of the 20. I was going to bring my phone with me, but it's literally gone up. The water has gone up to the pocket, and I think no, we're all good. Jesus, folks! Wow. Another candle thing there, a room here. So the history behind this place is the fact that it was built on a floodplain, hence all the water. So it was decommissioned because of, obviously, they were going to use heavy artillery guns on this and other things. Look at that mould on there, man. I don't want to be too long because we're meeting up with the lads tonight. ICAE, shout out to you guys. Wow. So this is kind of, there would have probably been another doorway there that's been bricked up. But look at this chain, guys. Yeah, shout out to ITAE. Going to be catching up with those guys tonight, but they actually don't know I'm coming. Water's getting pretty cold now, so what I'm going to do, since we're catching up with the guys later, I'm going to see what time it is. I'm going to go back and get my phone, see what the time is, and then I'm getting my coat wet. I'm going to get out of here because it's pretty cold and I can't feel my legs, and I've got to get back through that small arse. God, listen to that water, guys. Isn't that just... Is that food? Oh, someone's chicken burger. That's quite grim. But guys, I've just walked all the way down there to that thing there. I've done pretty well. Yeah, I wouldn't have done this without any waders. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it here. And then I've practically done a video on this place anyway, guys. But I thought I'd just show you a little bit of the tunnel. And yeah, pretty freaking awesome. Alright, so I'm gonna go back up to the tunnel. A small hole to get through. And this was, guys, Shornemead Fort. Isn't that absolutely fan-dabby-dozy? Alright. Oh. Jesus Christ. Where's my on switch? There it is. Bugger. Okay, I thought I cracked my phone screen. There's Aaron's camera. Lovely jubbly. There's my torch. Bish bash bosh. Back in the soggy mud. Very, very nice.